So far we covered the 4 pillars of personal finance, that is earning, saving, spending and investing. Now we've come to our 5th and the last pillar of personal finance, that is financial protection. So everyone talks about saving and investing, but nobody talks about the most important part of money, that is protecting it. Because what's the point of earning and growing wealth if one medical bill, one scam, or one bad decision can wipe everything out? In today's video, I'm breaking down what financial protection really means, why it matters at every stage of life, the types and more, with real-life examples that prove why this is the foundation of wealth. What is financial protection? Financial protection simply means shielding yourself, your money, and your future from unexpected events. It includes protecting income, savings, your family, health, investments, identity and online accounts. It's not about fear, it's about having confidence that no matter what happens, your financial life stays stable. Why financial protection matters. Many people think protecting money is only for the rich. But the truth is it's for anyone who earns, saves, or invests. Most people believe money protection is optional until life proves otherwise. Here's why it matters. 1. One emergency can wipe out years of savings, like for example medical bills, car accident, job loss, unexpected repairs. 2. Inflation, scams, and debt can silently drain money. 3. Protecting money, protecting your future dreams. When you're financially protected, you don't panic about the future, you plan for it. The 4 pillars of financial protection. Let's break down the main tools that protect your finances. 1. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is your first defense. It's money kept aside, ideally 3 to 6 months of expenses that you can use when life throws a curveball. 2. Health insurance. Medical bills are one of the biggest reasons people fall into debt. A good health insurance plan means you can focus on recovery, not expenses. 3. Life and term insurance. If you have dependents, family, spouse, or children, life insurance ensures they're financially safe even if you're not around. It's not just a policy, it's peace of mind. 4. Asset and digital protection. Today, it's not just physical assets but also digital ones like online banking, investments and passwords. Use strong passwords, secure apps, and avoid scams. Financial protection also means being cyber smart. When do you need financial protection? The truth is financial protection isn't for older people or rich people. It's needed at every age. Age 18 to 25. Protect from scams. Build financial habits. Start emergency fund. Age 25 to 35. Protect income. Buy insurance. Avoid debt traps. Age 35 to 50. Protect family and assets. Secure investments. Estate planning. Age 50 plus. Protect retirement. Reduce risk. Health protection. Financial protection is like a seatbelt, you don't think about it until you need it. Types of financial protection. Let's break down the 7 key types of financial protection everyone needs. 1. Income protection. Side income. Upgrading skills. Job security. Without income protection, everything else collapses. 2. Savings protection. Emergency fund. Separate savings accounts. Avoid high-interest debt. 3. Health protection. Health insurance. Critical illness cover. Medical emergency planning. 4. Asset protection. Protect investments. Avoid risky schemes. Diversify. Keep documents safe. 5. Identity protection. Password security. Protect UPI, banking. Avoid phone and WhatsApp scams. 6. Lifestyle protection. Budgeting. Zero unnecessary EMIs. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 7. Family protection. Term insurance. Nominations. Will. Joint accounts for emergencies. Money protection isn't one thing, it's a system. Practical example. Let's take an example. Ethan earns $4,000 a month. He keeps $1,600 for expenses, $800 for savings, and invests $600. But one day, he meets with a small accident, and medical bills cost $3,000. Without insurance, he has to dip into his savings and sell some investments. But if Ethan had an emergency fund and health insurance, the same event would have barely touched his long-term goals. Conclusion. So, protecting your finances isn't about fear, it's about freedom. It ensures your hard-earned money stays safe, your family is secure, and your financial goals don't collapse because of one bad event. In our next video, we'll talk about budgeting, the system that helps you balance all 5 pillars of personal finance and take full control of your financial life. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand how to protect your finances, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And share this video with someone who works hard for their money but hasn't protected their finances yet, because one smart decision today can protect years of hard work tomorrow. Hey, before you go, your financial journey doesn't stop here. Click on any of the videos on your screen to continue mastering personal finance. Each one will help you build the next step of your financial foundation. See you there.